Alrighty, everybody, it's Michael Alder here from thelandflippingformula.com, and in this video, I want to show you how to use simple technology like Docusign to simplify your contracts and save yourself more time. So when I first got started in the real estate game, we would have to print off contracts, sign them, scan them, email them back out. It took a lot of time. It was really unnecessary. So now we leverage things like Docusign to keep us more organized and to get things done faster. So I'm just going to walk you through a mock contract here. Now I created a template and I saved it in Docusign. So I go to use a template, and this is for the land business here. So we're going to go ahead and grab that. And while we're waiting for that to load, if you are looking to expand your land investing business or learn more about it, be sure to drop by the landflippingformula.com. There will be a link in the description area of this video. So we're going to go ahead. Now here's the contract we're going to use right here. So signer one, let's go ahead and put my info in there. Now we would add a recipient. We're just going to make it me again, just for the purpose of this video. So we got me, the contractor, and the contractee you would put down here. We're going to click next. They might not let me do this here. So we're going to go ahead and we'll change this email address. All right. Let's see if that flies. Alrighty, now we hypothetically have two different people on here. So I do not know why this is taking so long to load, but bear with me here. Four days later. All right, so we got our contract up. Right here we got the description, the legal description, and the parcel number. So all we do is come over here to the left, grab the text bar, drag it over to description. We're going to keep it real simple in this video. We're just going to call this 1 acre stretch it out, and then we're going to grab it again for the legal description. We're just going to knock this out real goofy like here, just so you get the point. Lot 2, lot 10. And then the parcel number. So all we're doing is dragging and dropping everything here to keep everything simplified, organized, good to go. The parcel number will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9, 8, 7. Boom. Okay, price. Once again, we're just dragging the text bar over here. Now, a lot of the deals that we do, they're 25 down. $25 a month. Payment schedule right here, I would drag text over and say down payment plus first payment was received on, let's say it was today, so 1/3/19. Next payment is due 2/3/19, and then paid monthly until such time as all payments have been satisfied. Buyer agrees to make payment no later than, right there, I would put 5 days out from any time we receive the payment. So if today was the 3rd, no later than the 8th is what we would give for the grace period. Or right there, I'm sorry, we put no later than the 3rd. Down here we put the 8th, and otherwise we could technically charge $25 late fee. I never enforce that on my deals, but it's in the contract just to protect ourselves. Then we would drag over our initials. So you would take the initial bar, drop that over, and then if we wanted to do the buyer side, we would just click over here, grab the initial, set it there, scroll down to the next part. Now, buyer falls behind more than, what I typically do is $75 here, which would equate to 3 months late. So if you're 90 days delinquent, and then we go ahead and take means to take the property back. And in here it says include late fees, taxes. So if I wanted to get crazy with it, I could. I don't include those fees on my stuff personally. Once again, it's just in the contracts to protect ourselves. And always have your contracts checked out by a local attorney to make sure they're legal in your area as a full disclosure. Buyer will be responsible for the property taxes for whatever year they buy it in. I put down that year and beyond, but we do acquire a lot of tax delinquent properties that will sell on terms at a deep discount. So if that's the case with this, I would just drag the text bar in here and say property taxes for all years prior and current. So they would be, anything past due and anything current they are responsible for, and that's why they're getting a great deal on it. We would go ahead and drag over. The buyer has to initial that. I have to initial this page. And then for over here, this is all the good juice right here for the buyer. So the buyer's got to give us, let's switch over to the buyer's piece. Buyer's got to sign it. They got to put in their printed name, email. I'll do text for the address. So you see how it is really easy just to drag and drop these. And like, we're noticing I have a slow internet connection where I'm at right now. But you could really fly through these when you get used to doing this. It'll save you a ton of time, and the organization factor is huge with this. Seller signature, just fill in mine down there, drag and drop for that, and then you're good to go. So we would go ahead and say send if we were all done. I would sign mine right away. And we wait for that good internet connection there I'm having. This is painful. So just click continue, and we just scroll down. Click, click, and my part's good to go. Now this would go out to the buyer. Buyer has to click off on that, and then it gets sent to your email and saved within Docusign as well, that you have a solid, valid contract, and you're good to go. So that is how to do a mock-up contract using Docusign. If you want to learn more about the land investing business, be sure to check out the land flipping formula, link in the description. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I'll see you on the next